I'm Caryn McBride, Executive Editor of the Westchester County Business Journal. Thanks for tuning into VideoChat. Today we're going to be talking about the commercial real estate market in Westchester County, and my guest today certainly has his finger on the pulse of what's going on in the office market. John McCarthy of McCarthy Associates in White Plains. John, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Caryn. It's nice to be here.
I wanted to talk a little bit about the subprime mortgage mess, because that seems to be on everybody's mind. And I know over in neighboring Fairfield County, there are some concerns now about how that may shake out and affect the office market by affecting the financial sectors. We've certainly read and seen enough about what's happened with the stock market and what's happened with the housing market. But I wanted to ask you what, if any, effect you see on the commercial market here in Westchester.
Well, I think, as we've seen in the last 2 or 3 years, there's been a lot of trading with properties, and what's happening now in the last at least 6 weeks or so with this subprime market, a lot of the lenders are rethinking loans that they were giving to properties that are on the market, and in some cases even under contract. So they're rethinking them, and I think that there's going to be more or less a wait and see attitude to listing kind of settles down a bit. As far as the actual effect on office tenants, it doesn't really have that effect at this point, because they're already in space. They might be looking at space, but it's not going to really affect the dollars. It really affects more on the trade of the properties themselves, that lenders might be a little bit more reluctant to give you a quoted rate, and then they're going to rethink it, and one point can throw off somebody's performance pretty deeply. So there's going to be I would say caution to the wind from that standpoint.
For more on the commercial market and all your local business news, check out the Westchester County Business Journal, and don't forget to look at us online at westchestercbj.com. I'm Caryn McBride, Executive Editor of the Business Journals. Thank you for joining us.